everyone, I'm Tara, and today I'll be repairing some scratches on my carbon fiber spoiler. I did something incredibly stupid and embarrassing when I first bought this. I went out and replaced it right away, and it's just been sitting in my room. So today I'm going to try to fix it. There's scratches all over the place. If you don't want to see the hilarious dash cam footage, just skip ahead a minute.
So this is my rear dash cam. The day I picked up my new spoiler, I went to the beach. I put my spoiler on my trunk to show my friend what it was gonna look like. Then we got distracted by this yellow Ferrari FF you can see right there. And I drove away with the spoiler just sitting on my trunk. So I hit the gas in a second and then you can see it flies right off. I hear a sound, but I still don't think anything until a few seconds later. Then I quickly turn around here in a rush to get back to it. I'll switch to my front dash cam now. And I'm so scared that the oncoming car is gonna run right over it, and I catch it like by a second, and I just block the traffic, jump out of my car and pick it up. Luckily that driver was super nice, and it was just so funny. I couldn't stop laughing. I wasn't even mad at my stupidity, it was just so damn funny. So this is all the damage. It's probably about 6 spots. It's all scratched up. Nothing too deep, luckily.
This all by hand. I bought some clear coat spray and sandpaper.
First you cut the paper in little squares and wrap it around something hard like this little sanding pad. I'm using 320 grit sandpaper on the scratches first. Don't go too deep or you'll damage the actual carbon fiber. So all the scratches are sanded out now.
Now I'm going to wipe the whole thing down with a damp cloth.
I use 400 grit sandpaper and sand the whole spoiler to remove the clear coat. Wipe down the whole thing and then use rubbing alcohol to make sure it is really clean. Before you start clear coating, make sure you shake the can really well. After the first light coat, I waited 20 minutes. Then I sprayed another coat.
Okay, I've done 4 coats, and actually I think it's gonna start raining, so I'm gonna quit now and let it dry. Okay, I'm all done. Now it's far from perfect, and it's not as glossy as I was hoping it would be. But I got the scratches all out, so I'm pretty pleased about that. See that? So it's not terrible for my first try working with carbon fiber. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.